Good morning, class. Today in GK, we will study the chapter Leaves in Our Daily Life. It means we are going to study about different types of leaves which we use in our day-to-day life and how it is important for us, what benefits we are getting from different types of leaves. So let's start doing this chapter. Leaves are called the kitchen of a plant. Students, you all know that kitchen is a place where we prepare our food. So for plant, leaves are the place, or you can say leaves are the kitchen of a plant. Why it is called kitchen of a plant? Because leaves prepare food for the plant. They use carbon dioxide gas, water and sunlight to make food through a process called photosynthesis. It means leaves takes carbon dioxide, water and sunlight from the sun and prepare food. This whole process of preparing the food is called photosynthesis. During this process, plants give out oxygen, the gas that keeps all living beings alive. It means plants takes carbon dioxide and release which gas? It releases oxygen. Oxygen is a very essential gas for all the living beings, whether it is an animal or a human being. It is very essential. We cannot live without oxygen. So, we take oxygen and releases carbon dioxide, and plants takes carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. Okay? Now, look at the picture and descriptions of some leaves which we use in our daily life. Here the description of some leaves are given. So what we have to do? We have to match the leaves with their description. Here the description is given. Pictures of leaves are given. We have to match them. Write the correct letter in the circle. We have to write the letters which is assigned to each leaf. Okay. Let's start. These leaves are used to make red design on palms of the hand. So we use the paste of these leaves to make designs on our palms. We make these designs on any special occasion or any festivals or whenever we want. So these leaves are used to make different types of design on our palms. And I hope you all know, and that is called henna or mehndi. So the letter assigned on henna or mehndi is D. So we will write over here D. Okay. Now, second, these leaves are used for curing coughs and cold. The Hindu consider this plant holy. Holy means pavitra. So we all Hindus plant this tree and we use the leaves of this plant in curing cough, cold and fever. And this plant is none other than Tulsi plant. So the letter assigned to Tulsi plant is F. So we will write over here F. Okay. Now, people love to eat these leaves with betel nut. Betel nut in Hindi we call betel nut supari, katha and tobacco. You have seen that some people buy these leaves from the pan shops. The shopkeeper put betel nut, katha and tobacco in that leaf and serve to the customer. So this leaf is called betel or pan. Here the picture of a betel leaf is given. It is very shiny and the letter assigned to betel leaf is C. So we will write over here C. Now fourth, these leaves are used in South Indian foods like sambar and uttapam. Students, whenever we prepare South Indian dishes like dosa, idli, sambar, vada, we use these leaves to prepare the South Indian dishes. And these leaves are called curry leaves. Here the picture of a curry leaf is given. You can see here. So we will assign here the letter assigned to curry leaf is A. So we will write over here A. Okay. Now these leaves are rich in iron. The popular TV cartoons Poppy eat them to get strength. So the leaves we are discussing about is full of iron. We prepare veg curry of this leaf also. We prepare palak paneer. We used to prepare saag also. So these leaves are basically used to prepare curries, and we get which nutrient? We get rich of iron. A popular cartoon, Poppy eats them to get strength. So this leaf is none other than spinach. Spinach is having E letter. So we will write over here E. Okay. Now, or one more thing about spinach, we have studied in science also that if a person is suffering from anemia, that is deficiency of iron, so doctor suggests him to eat spinach. Okay. Now, these leaves have a lot of medicinal values. They are used as antiseptic. These leaves have lot of medicinal values, means these are used as a medicines. The part of this plant or the part of this tree is very having lots of medicinal value and very beneficial for our health purposes. So this tree or this leaf is called neem leaf. You all know about neem leaf. Whenever you have skin infections or you have any type of rashes, your parents suggest to take bath from neem leaf. The soaps are also available which are made up of neem. So it has lots of medicinal values. So we will write B over here. Okay. Now, these leaves are used to add flavor and taste to our food. Students, you all have seen that whenever your mother cooks food or whenever she is preparing curry, veg curry for you, she puts some tadka along with this leaf, and this leaf is called bay leaf or tej patta in Hindi. It's a kind of spice. So we put this leaf in our veg curries. So here we will write H. Okay, we will write H. Now, these leaves are used in many food items and to make tasty chutney. We use these leaves to garnish our curries. We use these leaves to make chutney, and this is called coriander leaf or dhania patti. So we will write over here G. Okay. In this way we have seen so many uses of different types of leaves. Now let's see what Froggy speaks. The leaves of oregano are used for flavoring pizza. Students, you all have seen that oregano spreads are there, or oreganos are spread over the pizzas to give us proper, or you can say a specific smell and flavor to pizza. Next is the branch of olive tree is used as a symbol of peace. Olive tree is basically a symbol of peace, so its branch is used as a symbol of peace. It spreads the message of peace. Peace means Shanti. So students, we have completed this chapter, leaves in our daily life. Now your homework for GK is write the name of 5 medicinal plants and their uses. I'll post this question in the class group also, but I'm reading it, listen it carefully. You have to write the name of 5 medicinal plants. Medicinal plants which are used as a medicine. So 5 medicinal plants and their uses. Okay. Thank you, class.